Hey everyone, if you're on the hunt for some stellar investment opportunities, especially in these challenging economic times, I've got something exciting to share. Today we're diving into a high-yield S&P 500 dividend stock that are currently down more than 25%. These aren't just any stocks, they're the kind you might want to buy now and hold for at least a decade. So, let's get into it. First up, let's talk about Pfizer. Now, despite what you might think with the drop in sales of its COVID-19 related products, Pfizer is still a powerhouse. Yes, their first quarter sales saw a significant dip, with Comirnaty and Paxlovid revenues falling more than 60% year over year. But here's the kicker: the company's overall financial health remains robust. Pfizer has been consistently increasing its dividend payout every year since 2009, boasting a current yield of 6.1%. That's huge. And with management predicting that the worst of the sales declines is behind them, this could be a golden opportunity to grab some shares at a discount. Pfizer expects its adjusted earnings per share to comfortably cover the dividend commitments, so the payouts look sustainable for the foreseeable future. Now, why should you care about dividends? Well, dividends are a sign of corporate health and investor confidence. They provide a steady income stream, which can be particularly appealing in volatile market conditions. Investing in stocks like Pfizer not only offers the potential for capital appreciation, but also a robust dividend yield that can compound over time, making it an excellent choice for long-term investors. Here's a quick reminder: always do your due diligence or consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. It's crucial to ensure that any stock fits well with your overall investment strategy and risk tolerance. That's it for today. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, keeping an eye on high-yield dividend stocks like Pfizer can be a smart move in managing a diversified, resilient portfolio. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on how to invest smarter and grow your wealth. Stay savvy, investors.